Hello everyone, let's connect our iPhone to Peugeot. So let's go to settings. In the car menu, click connectivity, my devices. On the iPhone, you should shortly see Peugeot come up in the list of devices. Here it comes. Let's get it connected. We want to pair. We don't want to allow in my case. Let's confirm here. Confirm again. And now iPhone is going to ask if you want to connect through CarPlay. So let's just connect and start. Now the phone is going to be remembered on the device. So every time you connect, you will be able to use Apple CarPlay right away. Thank you for watching, and please, if you did find the video helpful, give it thumbs up.